There is a traffic jam in Lego City. Stop! Hey! Bring in the giant crane. The construction collection from Lego City. In Lego City, the construction are ready, but need a crane. Hey! You can build the giant crane.
Crane with huge moving tracks. Turn the crane. Operate the winch. And lift up
The elements. With a giant crawler crane, you can build City. The new huge crawler crane from Lego City. Lego City. A ship. Yeah.
Lego City, a ship has wrecked. And the new rescue helicopter is needed. Hey! You can build a rescue helicopter. Take off from the new Coast Guard headquarters and start the rescue operation. You can use the automatic wind.
The new Coast Guard collection from Lego City. Each set sold separately. In Lego City, the road worker run into trouble. Build the heavy bulldozer. Hey! Plow through the huge pile. Plow through the huge pile. Plow through the huge pile. Huge pile. Plow through the huge pile. Prepare for landing. A passenger plane has just arrived. Load the luggage and prepare for boarding. Hey! Build the stairs. Board the passengers. And the airport collection from Lego City.